Hey guys, it's Bonnie from Boulder Bond. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be setting up my bullet journal for August. I am so excited. I have been dying to use the bullet journal kit that I came out with in August. First, I'm going to be changing up my setup page. So I just pulled off the little setup card that I had on the front page. I did grab some cardstock that had a bunch of little notes on there, so I thought that this would be perfect, especially for August. So I just use my paper trimmer to cut it a little bit more accurately than I do with scissors. Now I am filling in this little note card with my layout that I like to have for my August bullet journal. It isn't really any different than the last couple of layouts. I did have one addition where I added in journal because I did start journaling in this, I think in the beginning, and I stopped doing that. I had played around with other little planning ideas, but I wanted to get back into doing it into this bullet journal because I really did enjoy it a lot more than my other planning techniques. So that is the one new addition. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start by putting down my August cover page. I am so excited. I have been dying to put this kit down. You guys know all of the bullet journal kits are our own designs, but this month is the first month that I decided to use those designs for every single kit that I do for the month. So the Believe collection is in our Erin Condren kit, the personal size planner, all of the budget kits, every single kit, and I am just so excited that you guys have been enjoying all of our designs. Now, I don't know why I didn't do this earlier. I suppose I was just trying to feel out the vibes if you guys actually liked our designs or not, and I'm just so excited that you guys are enjoying them because I'd much rather have our own designs in all of the kits. So thank you guys so much for all of your support. Now I just put down my calendar page. I usually have a pre-printed version with all of like my new releases and everything already on the kit, but I decided that this month I wanted to just do something a little bit different and use extra stickers that I had left over since I have all of these collections. So I used a bit of stickers from the personal size planner kit. I also have my laptop stickers that I wrote in my new releases. And then I'm also writing down all of the requests that I get throughout the month. So I do get a few, so I want to make sure that I focus on the requests that I get, and then also revamping some of my sticker sheets. And for one of the things I want to accomplish in August is to update my Cratejoy page. I do have a few other subscriptions that I am working on. One of them is the bullet journal. So if you guys have any other suggestions on what you would like to see in the bullet journal kit, definitely let me know down below. I'd love to hear what you guys think. Now, I'm just putting down my August tracker. I like to keep track of all of the things that I need to do on a daily basis on here. A lot of it remains the same and I just use it from month to month, but I do like to change out a few every now and then. Like last month I had pool day, which was amazing. I'm still enjoying the pool every day, but this for August, I don't think I'll be able to enjoy the pool as much, so I switch that one out for doodle so that I make sure I do my doodle challenge every day. I do post those at the end of the week on Instagram if you guys want to see that. Now guys, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I have been promising you guys a new mandala for a long time now, so I finally have one. This one matches the Believe collection with the fairies and dragonflies. It just is so gorgeous. There are two different versions you can get with the circles that I usually have every single month. I decided to go with the one that didn't have the already lined circles, so I think that this will be really fun to color in. I'm still using my tracker, that way I know how many times I've actually colored it in. We'll see how that goes. If you guys want an update on this, let me know. Follow me on Instagram. I'm sure I will post over there my update of the mandala and then like show you guys pictures on how it turns out. I just cannot wait to color this thing in. So the colors that I'm using are the Tombow pastel markers on the left, and oh my gosh, Patty never fails to get in on the action when I'm doing my plan with me's. So I'm just finishing up coloring in all of my moods. So I use the pastel Tombow pens on the left and the Erin Condren pens on the right. Now I just noticed when I was looking at my cheat sheet that I just totally went out of order. So this is exactly why I make a cheat sheet, but you know, sometimes obviously you have to look at it to keep on track. So I totally forgot my doodle challenge, which actually worked out really well because the Erin Condren pens do bleed through the Leuchtturm paper, so it worked out well to actually cover that up on the other side. That's why I really like to use stickers, especially in the Leuchtturm, because the paper is super thin, so it gives it a little bit more of a sturdy texture. And if you guys are doing the doodle challenge for August, don't forget to use the hashtag DrawWithBonAug. That way we can all look at your doodles and support each other and comment on your doodles because they are so super creative. So moving on to my next page, I'm using a fairy decal to mark my loves of the month. I'm just so in love with all of these fairies. I feel like I'm gonna have to write in all of the fairies for all of August. I just love every single one of them, so I'm trying to use as many as I can. So I'm also putting down a fairy flower to mark all of my new releases for August. Now I'm using one of the Erin Condren dual tip markers. This one is the fatter like felt tip side. I also am grabbing my personal size kit, some of the leftover stickers that I have. So I have all of these cute little deco stickers. I'm just using the like wavy little lines like fairy dust all around my new releases. I just think it looks so pretty. And then I thought I would show you how I'm going to set up my first week for journaling in August. I grabbed some of the like little half box stickers, except they're like teeny little stickers in the personal size kit to mark the days of the week. Now I do like to change up the like layout for my journaling pages every single week. It doesn't actually remain the same every week. So if you guys want to see that, let me know down below if you got me to do a like a video on my journaling process, or if you guys want to see it on Instagram. I'd love to hear what you guys would prefer. I'm also considering doing like an Instagram TV. I actually have not done it yet, and I am really intrigued on how it will work out. So maybe I'll do an Instagram TV for my journaling process. That might be fun. Now I'm just finishing off with Saturday and Sunday. I gave them a little bit smaller of a space for the weekend, although in retrospect I think I needed a lot more space for the weekend. So I hope you guys enjoyed this plan with me. I really enjoy the whole layout, and I cannot wait to fill in the mandala for the month. If you guys want to see that, follow me on Instagram. Thanks again for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!